I would like to start by just giving a small update on the cases that are there today. We had 584 new cases that have come up. Out of these 584 new cases, 240 are from East Khasi Hills and 111 cases are from West Jaintia Hills, and East Jaintia Hills and Riboy both have 43 and 42 cases, and rest of the districts are slightly lower, except West Garo Hills also has 55 new cases. I won't go into breakup of all the districts, but that's the top 5 districts for you. The recovery, on the other hand, has been better. We have 808 cases that have recovered, out of which East Khasi Hills, we have seen 433 people recover. Southwest Garo Hills, we have seen 88 people recover. West Garo Hills, we have seen 85 people recover. And Riboy, we have seen 69 people recover. Apart from that, other districts also have recovered, but the numbers are slightly lesser. We have lost 18 precious lives in the last 24 hours. Out of them, 9 have been from East Khasi Hills, 4 from West Jaintia Hills, 2 from West Garo Hills, 1 from Riboy, 1 from Southwest Garo Hills, and 1 from West Khasi Hills. Apart from that, the active ratio as of now in the state stands at 16.19%, and the recovery ratio stands at 82.1%, and the fatality ratio is at 1.7%. Another very important information which I would like to provide